Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Yo, just quick video. Alright? My bad. Just quick video, just showing you guys, like, just went on a quick pool run, right? You saw my last cash out video. I might do another cash out video tonight. Alright, look, people. All this 100% free, people. See what I'm saying? $2, $3, $6, $8, $10 every single day. It adds up. I know we're not getting hundreds of dollars every day. I know we're not quitting our jobs and all that. I know we're not making thousands of dollars a day. But you make $5, $10, $15 every single day for the last 400 days, 300 days. You could really put the money together and do something, right? So it's up to you on an every single day basis. Quick pool run, right? This and this just costs $55 by itself. Just this and this costs $55. All right, where am I getting the money to keep putting all this stuff in the pool over and over and over and over, right? And then plus this, that right there costs, I think, $15 or something like that, $15, $10. So this right here is probably like $60 with these 3 items only. You know what I'm saying? So where's this money coming from? So every day, this is what I try to tell you guys. Do not use your 9 to 5. I used to use my 9 to 5 money for everything, and I was always like, always behind, always in everything. Every aspect of life behind. Ever since I started using my system, now I can actually have a couple of dollars to do this, to do that. It's not thousands of dollars. You know what I'm saying? It will be $1,000 if you save it for a long amount of time and then really invest it big. You can do that too. But right now, especially right now, you got to use it for essentials and emergency stuff only. All right? Everything right here is I have to buy this stuff. There's nothing here that I didn't have to not buy. Right? It's for the house. We gotta eat. We got it, right? The pool. You gotta get in the water. Like, you have to buy this stuff. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Don't just go buy some Nikes. Don't go buy Jordans. Don't go out to Wendy's with this money. Don't do that. You have to buy stuff that actually matters, that you're actually gonna use, that you actually need every single day. That's why I did my channel. I'm tired of not having $2, $5, $20, $100 extra. I always have to use my 9 to 5 money when my 9 to 5 money is nowhere near enough. Even if it was enough, you still should have something on the side coming in, right? So you can't just keep complaining about price. You can't complain about, oh, this is broken, I got to buy this, I got to get this. You're going to have to just do something about it, all right? So this is why I made my channel, started from the bottom, zero, teach you how to make literally a 25 cents a day, $1 a day, $5 a day, $10 a day, $15 a day. Top members are making $30 every single day. $30 to $35 every single day. Top members. These are people that's home every day, probably only have like a part-time job, no kids, stuff like that. All right. So it depends how much time you got to put in. Put this time in. Put this time in this work in. All right. You will see something happen, people. I'm telling you. All right. I've been earning $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day for the last 400 days. Like literally last 400 days. So you have to understand, if you can save it, if, you know what I'm saying, you're not overdrafting, if you know your bills are not due, you can actually save it and invest. Side business, any side things that you have going on, invest this money every single day. Keep grinding. Stay with it every single day. This is why you see me. Proof, facts, results, people. I'm not going to tell you to do something I do not do. All right? So this is every single weekend. Anytime I need something, I got an extra $30. I got an extra $40. I got an extra $20. I got an extra $100 to spend. All right. So this is every day, free online money maker. This is what I do, people. All right. This is what I do on an every single day basis. Take this money. It's either buying essentials, buying something that I have to spend for it. Like last week, a couple of stuff I had to spend $100 for my son. Bought a couple of things, right? For his birthday party. Got to do it, right? Whatever you got. So you have to do these things. Sometimes they pop up. You got to do them. Do not use your 9 to 5 money, because then all you're going to do is start complaining. Oh, my God, I'm using my 9 to 5. Oh, money, this costs this costs that. But if you had a nice little side stream of income coming in, you wouldn't be, you know what I mean, too pressed for money. All right? So it's free online money maker every single day, people. We grind. All right? We grind and we do what we got to do. Next video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a free Echo Dot. All right? Get a free Echo Dot. Actually doing it right now, ordering mine right now. Got one of my online members hit me up, told me how to do it. Doing it, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. All right? So 100% free, people. This is what I do. This is what my channel is about. Search around my channel if you want paid programs and a way to make more money or bigger money online. Check my channel out. But for the most part, everything's 100% free. Everything, people. The health videos, the workout videos, cash out videos, everything. All right, we're starting to take a new turn. All right, so we're starting to take a new turn for 2020. We're about to like really elevate and really be on a different level. All right, I really want to take you guys away from 97% of the people in the world. All right, 97% of people in the world doing the same thing every single day, same thing over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get you guys away from that and turn you guys into like the top 3%. Just be different, people. Just be different. Working out every day is different. A lot of people don't do that. Working out every day is different. Making money online is different. You see what I'm saying? Like, you got to be different. People can't just be doing the same thing over and over. You got to be different. You got to elevate and be the best person you can be. All right? Free online money maker. Do what you got to do. Free. All right? All 100% free. All right? Every single weekend I do this, people. Every single weekend. Like I said, I know it's not thousands of dollars, but it gets the bills paid and it puts the food in the fridge. So, free online money maker. Do what y'all got to do on your spare time, all right, people? Do what you got to do on your spare time. Hit me up in the comments below. Ask me anything. Super transparent, all right? Free online money maker signing out. Peace.